Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I have got something exciting to unbox. The ONN 4K streaming box with Google TV support. I have heard a lot about this device, especially for this price range. That's why I am excited to see if it lives up to the hype. If you are looking for upgrade your streaming setup without breaking the bank, this could be a game changer. So let's dive in. Alright, here's the box. It's pretty compact. That's nice. We have got on branding here. It highlights 4K streaming HD, Google TV, Dolby Vision, and Google Assistant. Seems like it's packed with features. Okay, I am now opening the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, that's nice. I always love this kind of packaging. This is the manual. First, we have the streaming box itself. It's pretty small and pretty sleek. Okay, then we have got the remote. It looks like a very good layout, including a Google Assistant button, YouTube button, Netflix button, Disney and Paramount button, which is awesome. Then we have a full-length HDMI cable inside. This is great. No need to buy one separately. And this is the power adapter. Unfortunately, output is micro USB. Okay, let's move forward. What about remote's battery? Looks like this remote will need two AAA battery which are not included in the box. The setup process is very simple. You just need to connect the HDMI to your television and or monitor, then plug in the power cable, and you will just have to follow a very little on-screen instructions. Here is a close look up at the box. This is the power input, a indicator, HDMI out, and a button for Google Assistant. As it has Google Assistant and Chromecast, you can control your TV and other home devices with your voice. And as it has Chromecast, so you can easily cast content from your phone and TV. Under the hood, it has got a quad-core processor, which is Cortex A35, 2GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. This should be enough for smooth streaming and running most apps. Now I am quickly going to connect it to my monitor and make sure everything is working. Okay, I have connected the 4K streaming device to my computer monitor via HDMI cable. This is the home interface. You can easily go to YouTube just by pressing it. Alright, that's ONN 4K streaming device. What about Netflix button? Okay, an update for my remote is waiting. So far I am pretty impressed, especially considering the price point below $30. It seems like offering a lot of value for 4K, Google TV and Google Assistant. Tell me if you want a full review of this device, then I will test the streaming quality, check out the app selection and see how it performs with different type of content. So make sure you are subscribed and don't miss out on that. Thank you for watching today's unboxing. If you have any questions about ONN 4K streaming box, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and unboxing. See you on the next one.